2021 Ram 1500 Double Cab Bighorn with only 39,000 miles. Hi everyone, my name is Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com, and I am back with another uncut, unrehearsed, unfiltered, unedited, what you see is what you get off the cuff vehicle video. That's a lot to say. Again, 21 Ram 1500. It's got the Hemi 5.7 in it. 39,000 miles, one owner, clear Carfax, independently inspected, balance of factory warranty. You can upgrade that warranty very reasonably at in the finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. That's AutoramaAuto.com. And when you're pre-approved, you don't got to be here all day. You don't have to be here at all. Get pre-approved and then come in. You like it, you love it, you want to leave with it. 20 minutes, you're out the door. We're not going to keep you all day. We're not like the big box dealers that keep you all day. You can buy a car from us in under a half an hour. Seriously, when you're especially when you're pre-approved. Back to the truck. New tires. They got the knobs on them. Nice package on it. It has heated cloth seats, powered driver's seat, bucket seats, heated steering wheel. It's got the not the biggest screen they make, but the big one. Phone hookups. Push button start, remote start, power rear slider. Just a nice equipment package on this truck. I really like it. Truck still smells new. Got the front sensors, the back sensors, the automatic four-wheel drive. You name it. Really nice truck. Love the color. 6.5-foot bed. Hasn't had a ball. People do it. Trust me. On half tons. Tow package. Now let's talk about price. I know I'm not going to have the lowest price you see because I have honest prices. I have real prices. I have the price you see is the price you pay, drive it away prices. That's right. Price you see, price you pay, drive it away. No hidden dealer fees. We do have a $145 dock fee. It's not hidden. And this is your video coupon. Corey, give them a free dock fee if they show you the video. That's right. Free dock fee if you show the finance guy the video. So let's recap. 2021, 39,000 miles, one owner, clear Carfax, factory warranty, independently inspected, 6.5-foot bed, double cab, 4x4, Hemi, new tires, fast financing, price you see, price you pay, drive it away, no hidden dealer fees. That's the Autorama advantage. Come and join us, folks.